The Suzuki Aerio is a compact car that was introduced by Suzuki in 2001 as a replacement for the Suzuki Baleno Esteem in many markets. It was sold as the Aerio in North America, while in many other countries, including Pakistan, it was marketed as the Suzuki Liana. The car was available in both sedan and hatchback body styles, offering practicality, comfort, and a spacious interior for families. The Suzuki Aerio was offered with a range of petrol engines depending on the market, including 1.3L, 1.5L, 1.6L, 1.8L, 2.0L, and 2.3L four-cylinder engines. Buyers could choose between a 5-speed manual transmission or a 4-speed automatic transmission. Some versions also featured all-wheel drive, making it a versatile option for different driving conditions. Inside, the Aerio offered a spacious cabin with seating for 5 passengers. Its tall roof design provided excellent headroom, while the hatchback version had a large cargo area for luggage and daily use. Higher trim levels included features such as air conditioning, power windows, power steering, central locking, ABS, dual airbags, alloy wheels, and an audio system, making it well equipped for its class. The Suzuki Aerio earned a reputation for reliability, fuel efficiency, and affordable maintenance. Its suspension was tuned for a comfortable ride, making it suitable for both city driving and highway travel. The engine was known for its durability when properly maintained, and the car's simple mechanical design helped reduce repair costs over time. Production of the Suzuki Aerio ended in most international markets in 2007, after which it was replaced by the Suzuki SX4. Despite its age, the Aerio remains a practical used car thanks to its roomy interior, dependable performance, comfortable driving experience, and good overall value. It continues to be appreciated by drivers who want a reliable and affordable compact vehicle.